In this video, I will explain how you can make a beautiful logo using custom shapes in Photoshop. So let's get started. Hello guys, welcome to Graphics Help. In this video, I will explain how you can make different kind of unique logos using basic custom shapes which are available in Photoshop by default. So first of all, press Ctrl plus N, rename this file to logo and choose dimensions of 5120 width and 2880 height. I'm going to increase the resolution to 300 and make sure color mode is RGB. Then press OK. Press Ctrl plus 0 to adjust the canvas size. Unlock this layer. Select custom shape tool from here. I'm going to select this one. Press and hold Shift key and make a shape something like this. Now I'm going to fill it with a random color, gray. Create a new layer. Select rectangle tool and draw a square like this. Fill it with any other color. Now go to shape 1 and press Ctrl plus T and rotate it like this. Then press OK. I would like to reduce its width a little bit. Now select a rectangle tool and press Ctrl plus T and rotate it while holding Shift to make it something like diamond shape. Press yes. Now use move tool and place it over here. I would also like to reduce its width. Press OK. Now properly place it over here. I would like to change the color to something like reddish one so I can properly visualize. Select rectangle layer and place this rectangle over this shape like this. Now select both of the layers and right click and choose rasterize layer. Now select rectangle layer and press and hold Ctrl key and click on this thumbnail icon. Now go to shape layer and press delete key. Now if you unhide this layer, you have deleted that portion of the shape 1. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect the area. Now you can delete this layer. So I have got this basic image. Now press Ctrl plus J to create a duplicate and then Ctrl plus T. Now press and hold Shift key and rotate it like this and properly place it. Looks okay. Then press OK. Now you can repeat this action while holding Alt Ctrl Shift and then press T. The process will be repeated. Now select all of these layers and place them in the center. You can find the center with the help of these guides. I'm going to place it over here. Okay. Now you can hide these guides while pressing Ctrl and colon key. Now we have got basic shape of our logo. Now I would like to add gradients on these layers. Double click on the right hand side of this shape 1 layer to open layer style options. Now go to gradient layer and I am going to choose this gradient and press OK. Now I want this gradient to be in angled form, then press OK. Now since I want this same style on these other 4 portions as well, press and hold Alt key and drag from this FX point to these layers as well. This will simply copy the layer style options of that layer to these layers. Now I would like to adjust the gradient. Shape 1 copy. Double click on the FX point. Go to gradient. Now I have to change the angle to 0. Press OK. Now go back to this layer. Go to gradient overlay and change the angle to minus 90. Okay, again change the angle here to 180. So we are done with the gradients here. It looks cool. Now we have to remove this area from this layer. This is the fourth layer and I want half of this portion below this shape 1. So I'm going to right click and click rasterize this layer only. Now select rectangular marquee tool and select half of this layer like this. Right click and select layer we have cut. Now you can drag this layer 1 below this shape 1. So that's it. You have created a simple and unique logo using basic shapes that have been provided in Photoshop. If you want this logo to be in PNG or transparent background, simply unhide this layer 0 and save it as a PNG.